Good morning, friends. Welcome to my channel. Today is 17th of April 2026. Today is Friday and the time now is 9 o'clock in the morning. So today's global market scenario is mostly all are positive. See, all US markets are positive. And here it says very bullish. UK is also positive, very bullish. And in Asian markets, GIFT Nifty is just 2 points up, and Japan is little down, minus 546, and Hang Seng is also down, minus 296. So the pre-market trading has already started. So let's wait for the pre-market tradings to complete so that we can come to know how Indian markets are going to open today. So friends, the pre-market tradings are closed. Now we can see that in Nifty we will have going to open a very little down. Sensex is also very little down. In fact, all the other indexes that were traded in pre-market were very little either up or down. So more or less at the same level as it was closed yesterday, the market is going to open today. So let the market open and settle back a little bit, then I will get back to you. So friends, it's 10 o'clock, approximately 9:57 now. The market is range bound as of now, though it started at more or less at the same range. It was closed yesterday, but currently it had tried earlier to break the barrier, but it couldn't. This is the second time it is trying to break, and maybe it can break. So let us see. Let us wait for some time and let us see how it goes, and accordingly we will take some trade. So there is a resistance here at 24,240 since from yesterday. So it should break that. Otherwise, it still couldn't break the day high. So let's wait for some good sign. Actually, if it breaks, then we can take a CE trade. But if it doesn't, then this may come down to up to this level. So this is a very crucial point. So that's why I'm waiting. Let it complete outside of these two barriers, then only we can take some trade. So you can see that it could not break it. It has come down. The candle is still not closed. So there is a huge tug of war. If the red candle breaks this blue and red lines, then it can have free fall. But before that, see the 2 wicks above and below the candle says that market is not allowing to go up or go down either. So both are fighting with each other, the buyer and the sellers, and ultimately taking the profits of the profit makers. Whoever has made profit over here has lost it. As I said, here is one resistance. If this resistance is passed, then things can be different. That is 24 to 46 or something. Yes, it is crossed. It's crossed. The market is going up. I did not take any trade because even if I had taken, first thing is it was at this place, and second candle was being made above the day's high and it had come down. So I did not take a trade over here. If I had taken, it was 129. So 5-point stop loss is 124. And you can see that this candle low is 122. So I would have hit the stop loss. Otherwise, the market is, as per the lines, it is showing that it's uptrend now. The 20 EMA is up, and RSI is also 64, and in CE chart also EMA 9 is also up. So it's uptrend as of now, but I have to get the right position to take a trade. I can take a trade where if it comes down in this blue line or hits from below the blue line. So here in this candle there is a long wick on the upper side. That means it tried to go high, but it could not. So it is coming back to the blue line. If it comes over here and goes back, or comes below this and then goes back, I will take a trade in this blue line or little up. Let's see how it goes. It's going a long run. It has actually crossed this 282. I think good run it was from here, say about 135, 137 to 159, 20 points. I am losing out a great run, but I am not able to take it because it is not meeting my strategy. So now you can see that this blue line is close to this, but when it was formed, the line was little far away, 3 to 4 points away below the last closing. So as it is now, you can see the low of this candle is 164 and the blue is at 160, so 4 points. So I'm waiting for it to touch this line in the current situation, but it's not happening, and looks like here it will cross this line 24,323. This is the line where it was bounced from. It was acting as a support. So let's see if it acts as a support or not. So ideally it should go up to 24,323, but I'm not very sure because market is losing the strength. In all the candles you can see there is a wick in the upper side, so that means that it was trying to pull it but not able to. But all the candles are closed above the last candle's closing, so that is also one thing. So I'm little confused about what to do. But ultimately what is happening is I'm losing out on opportunities, but that is fine. I'm not losing money. That is more important. Opportunities do come back. But if you lose money, then it's extremely hard to get back, Losing 5 points is just nothing, but I see here it is coming back, and if a green candle forms from below, then I will take a trade. 160. So it has touched the line. 160 it has touched. Let it go a little below and form a green. But in this chart is not telling that it will create a green or go up. It may actually. So actually it is time to take a trade. Shall I take a trade over here? 160. It's not getting ahead. So one should take a trade in 160. No. Does it go up? If I had taken a trade in 160, it would have hit my stop loss. But here if it goes up, I can take a trade. Friends, I am losing hope on CE side. If it crosses 157, say 59 or maybe 160, I will take a trade. And in the PE side, if it crosses this, say about 194 or so, then I will 195 you can say. So I will take a trade in PE if it crosses 195 and in CE if it crosses 160. That is my strategy as of now, but both of them are stuck in between these EMA lines. Both C and P are stuck in between the EMA lines, blue and red. So I've lost a huge opportunity, no doubt about it. I should have taken a trade at 136, which had gone 168, 70, 166, 30 points. I would have gathered. Anyway, it happens. So here's some opportunities happening. I told that I will take a trade if it crosses 195. Remember? So guys, it is crossing 193. I will take a trade in 195. Okay, I've taken a trade in 195 in PE at 1040 and 8 lots. Stop loss is 190. Stop loss hit, so I have lost 5 points. So friends, I had taken another trade at 1104. Either I forgot to unpause it or it didn't get unpaused. So this part of my trade was not recorded. So I took a trade at 197 in PE side at 1104. And the stop loss was 5 point below 192 and it got hit. So I lost another 5 points. So total I lost in 2 trades 5 points each, 10 points. So it is about 5,200 rupees. Today I have lost 5,200 rupees in 2 trades. Both the trades had hit my stop loss of 5 points. I took trades in 520 units, 8 lots in Nifty 50 in PE buy, but both the trades went wrong. So today I'm closing because 2 losses are the maximum that I can afford to take, and that too 5,200 is the maximum amount. So today is Friday, so Saturday, Sunday markets will be closed. But Monday I'm going out of station. So maybe on Wednesday or Thursday, I will again come back to share my trades with you. Okay? So till then, have a great time, great weekend, and all the best. Bye bye.